this truly not petroleum from a Texas well, but something that started somewhere completely unexpected? Across America, trucks are waking up to a different kind of fuel, and this moment feels real, because this fuel powers the country the viewer lives in every single day. Look at the difference. One is clear gold, the other dark sludge, representing the future of trucking. There is no black smoke and no heavy smell, just a deep, clean rumble.
This truck will cross 3 states today, and every single mile runs on what used to be French fry oil.
Petroleum diesel would have stained this cloth black in seconds, but this cloth remains white. This provides undeniable physical proof that biodiesel burns cleaner.
This is just one fleet and one yard, but multiplied by hundreds across America. This scene conveys scale and quiet pride. Every year, McDonald's kitchens across America produce over 300 million pounds of used cooking oil, and almost none of it goes to waste.
Underneath every McDonald's in America, a hidden system is collecting liquid gold.
Specialized collection trucks visit thousands of kitchens, and this is where the journey from fryer to fuel tank truly begins.
Conversations. At this moment, this is still waste oil, thick with food particles and water and impurities, but not for...
Biodiesel comes from many sources, including soybean fields and restaurants, and what they all share is that they are renewable. This refinery processes millions of gallons every year, and the oil arriving today started in a McDonald's fryer just 2 days ago.
How dirty fryer oil becomes fuel clean enough to run a semi-truck, with the answer waiting inside this facility. The collection process is fast and clean, and within 20 minutes the oil is on the move, heading toward its transformation.
These trucks run on biodiesel too, and the fuel they are collecting powered them here, creating a perfect closed loop. The circle is already complete. The refinery operates 24 hours a day, and the oil never stops flowing.
Every truckload gets sampled before it is accepted, and quality control starts right at the gate.
From this moment, the oil will spend the next 8 hours being completely transformed into something entirely new. This scene marks the point of no return. The refinery can hold 2 million gallons at any one time, which is enough to fuel 1,000 trucks.
The first step is screening, and every French fry crumb and salt crystal gets removed from the oil.
The oil is heated to exactly 140 degrees to reduce viscosity and prepare it for the chemical reaction ahead.
The oil is heated to exactly 140 degrees to reduce viscosity and prepare it for the chemical reaction ahead.
Water is heavier than oil, so when you let it settle, they separate naturally, and the water drains away first.
This is methoxide, the catalyst that will transform the oil, mixed with absolute precision in a sealed environment.
This is the moment of transformation, and in this reactor, waste becomes fuel. This reaction has a name, transesterification, where the glycerin backbone breaks away, and what is left is pure biodiesel.
The reaction takes about an hour, and you can watch it happen through this glass in real time.
Gravity performs the work, with the glycerin sinking and the biodiesel rising, resulting in 2 distinct products from a single reaction.
There it is, raw biodiesel, and you started with used fryer oil, but now you are looking at real, usable fuel.
The biodiesel gets a gentle water wash, and any remaining soap or catalyst gets carried away by the water. Air drying removes every trace of water, and what remains is pure, dry biodiesel, ready for final processing. This filtration goes down to 1 micron, and at this point, the biodiesel is cleaner than the water most people drink. Every batch gets tested, and the spectrometer confirms the chemical transformation is complete and successful.
Viscosity must fall within a narrow range, because if it is too thick, engines struggle, and if it is too thin, they wear prematurely. Biodiesel's flash point is over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safer to transport than petroleum diesel.
Even at freezing temperatures, the biodiesel stays fluid, and additives will push that cold weather limit even lower for winter operation. There are 2 million gallons of certified biodiesel ready to ship, which is enough to fuel every truck in a major city. From here, biodiesel ships out to truck stops and fleet yards and farms across America.
8,000 gallons load in under 20 minutes, and this truck will be on the road before sunset.
The load is sealed and certified and tracked from refinery to final delivery.
This truck is headed to a fuel depot in California, and by tomorrow morning, this biodiesel will be pumping into long-haul trucks.
While America sleeps, the fuel that will power tomorrow is already moving toward its destination. The depot serves 50 truck stops across 3 states, and this biodiesel will be at pumps by noon today. This trucker might not know the full story behind this fuel, but he knows it costs less and runs cleaner than regular diesel. Truckers notice the difference immediately, with less smell and smoother engine performance, and the exact same power output.
The same engine and the same power, but now it is running on what used to be French fry oil.
Fleet managers track every single dollar, and when biodiesel saves money and reduces engine wear, and the math becomes very simple.
Biodiesel reduces particulate emissions by nearly 50%, and the air your children breathe gets cleaner with every biodiesel truck on the road.
Petroleum releases carbon that has been buried for millions of years, while biodiesel recycles carbon that is already in the air.
As you can see, the logs are perfectly consistent. Restaurant managers know their waste oil is not waste at all, but rather fuel for America.
From California to the Carolinas, biodiesel trucks cross this country every day, and most people have probably driven past them 1,000 times without ever noticing. Every day, thousands of truckers make this choice for cleaner fuel and cleaner air on the same roads they have always driven. Diesel cars can run on biodiesel too, and this family just filled up on fuel that started in a restaurant kitchen.
School districts across America are switching to biodiesel because the kids on this bus deserve to breathe clean air.
The refinery run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. While everyone sleeps, the transformation continues. From coast to coast, a hidden network delivers renewable fuel, and it is growing every single year. This one drop from a fryer to a fuel tank, that is the entire journey.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.